How to use Grab Pay Later in store. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Grab Pay Later in the store. First of all, open up the Grab Pay app. Once you get into its app, click on the payment icon from the bottom bar. After that, click on the Activate Grab Pay Wallet option from here. Now to activate your wallet, tap on Let's Go. Then enter your name and hit the arrow to proceed the process. Right after that, you have to choose your identity document, in which you can either choose a passport or MyCAD. Then enter the MyCAD number and click to submit your request. Now tap on Pay Later card and click the Activate Pay Later button. That's it. You can now enjoy the Pay Later option. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.